Well, the perch fishing was a bust yesterday, along with the crappie fishing. Didn't really catch too much of note, but now I'm on the river trying to catch something bigger. Live shiners for bait, a couple soft plastics just to throw around when I'm bored. See if we can get a pike, channel cat, saugeye, smallmouth, all that good stuff. Good place to start. Water moving into the river draws all kinds of stuff. Didn't take long for smallie. Hell yeah. Nice. Well, I've had one bite since the smallmouth, and the current's so strong, by the time you blink, you're a quarter mile down the river, but you kind of want to keep doing the same area over and over again, so you got to keep going back upstream. A lot of work, but hopefully we get something big. I have a friend on the way who caught a bunch of creek chubs, so that'd be a nice change up. We'll see how we do. A lot of snags, a lot of current. He thinks he's got something on lure. Be dang, he actually ate it. This, I'll be damn. Wow, nice saugeye. He said, I don't need to go to Lake Erie. Keeping it, I'm sure.
Fish on. For real? Nope. Yep.
What, I feel like a snag?
Yeah.
That's probably close to 20 inches, I bet. Oh, that is 20 inches probably. Nice.
Yeah, buddy.
He's got another one on. And I am in a tree. All right. Oh, it's a smallmouth. They're hitting the lure though. That is a pig of a smallmouth. Jeez. Well, I guess they're in that moving current. Wow, that's 18 inches all day. You want to measure it?
I got one. I got to measure. That's a nice smallmouth.
Mm-hmm.
Don't believe that shit.
Man, that is a real nice smallmouth. Like 18 inches all day. Wow. Oh, I had to get it closer to the camera. You can't see it. Man, nice. Ooh. Well, the whole time I was thinking fish the slow water. No, fish the fastest water you could find. Now that can be a little tricky, but certainly a couple fish in there. He's out trying the middle current. I'm gonna just throw a bait right here and see if anything's in this pool. So he's got a pike on. Wonder if his net's big enough. Oh, that's a big pike. Jesus, that's a nice one. They are still here. I'll eat it. Tastes just like that saugeye you got.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Pain in the ass to clean. That's a pretty good one.
I never caught one that big in my life. I'm gonna get a picture of this.
Let me see if I got a stringer.
I got one. I got the saugeye on it right now.
Oh, I'll put him on the stringer then.
Yeah.
You're not gonna eat him, are you? I didn't think so.
I'm fucking sick. I never caught one that big in my life, man.
I know the feeling. That's a 30-incher at least. Oh yeah. Kind of gilled him a little bit anyway. Might as well keep him. His gills are sticking out of his...
Jeez, look at them fucking teeth.
He's gonna die anyway. Good, you're bleeding. You see, he's bleeding. What's this? Oh, this is a giant smallmouth. This is. Oh my God. Woo! Oh, wow. This is turning into not a bad day. Not a bad day. You could stick it out. Holy crap, that's incredible. Incredible smallmouth. Hey, 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 hey. I think my buddies were still a little bigger, but I'll take it. That's nice. Nice smallie. Make sure the camera's looking. Oh yeah. Real nice. Oh, they're just big old smallmouth. Wrapped in both my lines though. Oh, that's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. Oh well. Nothing I can do about it. All right, so you weren't a pike. Thought I might have missed the pike earlier. Boy, he ate a gigantic shiner. And he ain't even that big. You go, Matt. All right. Well, we'll show you the fish. There's the pike. Ooh, slimy bastards. I don't know. I have to back up. Probably see it. Quite nice. I don't know what it measures out, but I'll measure it here shortly. There's one fish. There's the saugeye, aka walleye hybrid. Pretty cool. And there's the other pike, what you call a hammer handle. Whatever. All right, Pike's 33 inches. Saugey's 20 inches, and I didn't measure him because I don't care. But he's somewhere in between. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Long day on the river yesterday. Didn't really much feel like fighting current today, so I'm giving the river a break. I'll probably hit it again later this week, but I'm just hitting the lake today for a couple crappie, whatever else bites. Might put out some catfish lines with the leftover bait I didn't use, or in that matter really need yesterday. So try to get a use out of it. Maybe catch a couple sleepy catfish or whatever else is in this lake I don't know about. Those crappies? Wow. That took way too long. Not a fun day to be out here. I don't think. Unless I get something more consistent, I'm not going to start keeping on me, and that took hours to get that one. That is big enough to clean for sure, but I want to see more consistency. Otherwise it's going to be one crappie in the bucket for hours. I throw him back anyway. Hey, wondering if there's anything in this river today. Hey, not getting skunked. That's always a good thing. Huh. Different day. Didn't do an intro, but just trying gulp on a jig head today, nothing else. That's what worked the other day. Heck is this? Oh. Nice smallie. It was so dark, didn't know what it was for a minute. That's promising. He came up so slow too. Sluggish. My goodness. Alright, come here. Kind of hooked weird. Oh, I hooked you in the chin. That still means he went for it. That's why he was fighting weird. Huh. Oh, football. Cool. Nice. Ooh. That's some good panfishies tonight, including a yellow bass. That's pretty cool. Didn't film any of the catches, but a lot of panfish.
I need to go get another
one
crappie
crappie.
shot, I guess.